Hi everyone, this is Team Deep Coders. Our use case is about grouping related TED Talks. We got the dataset from the provided link. And we choose k-means clustering over hierarchical clustering as k-means works better on large datasets. So first, we imported the required libraries and we imported the dataset using pandas library. And we dropped some of the columns because it contains strings which are not used to us. And we have a column that consists data in the form of hours, minutes, and seconds that you could see over here. So we need to convert this column in the form of integer that consists only of seconds. So let's run this. Here you could see that the column has been converted into the seconds, and we have data that consists of nan values. So before proceeding further, we need to fix this nan values. So we replace this nan values by mean. So let's run this. And you can see the nan value in the data set. And why we need to do feature scaling? Because we have data that varies largely in terms of range. So you can see here it's in range of from 2 to 10, and this is in thousands, this is in lakhs. So we need to fix this. So we do feature scaling to get in a similar range. And we divided the data in training set and test set. This is the test set and this is the training set. And what is elbow method? Before proceeding into K-means algorithm, we need to find what is the optimal number of clusters. So we can find this optimal number of clusters using this elbow method. It randomly gives a range of 1 to 10 clusters and finds the within cluster sum of squares. So let's see how it works. So this elbow method gives you a graph where you could see there is a significant change at 6. So this is the optimal number of clusters. So 6 is the optimal number of clusters. And since we got the optimal number of clusters, now just apply that k-means. So, and what is collections? Um, Here we see how much data is dedicated to each cluster. That is, we have a we have output from the training set and we have output from the test set. So let's see how much data is dedicated in training set and test set. So in training set, you can see 0 cluster has 809 rows and 1 cluster has 656 rows and etc. And similarly in test set, we only have 5 clusters. This is because our test set is so small that it contains only 100 rows. So now, now we visualize the clusters. Sorry, here it is, the plot. And thank you everyone.